Hi, my name's Gareth Newby from Preston Baker Estate Agents in Oakwood, and I am here today to tell you about an absolute gem of a property that is steeped in history. So behind me you can see the property. It was originally built as 3 cottages, part of the Gledhow estate for the Gledhow farm workers, circa 1855 we think. Then in 1925 the property was converted into its current state now, which is a 4-bedroomed coach house style period property. Fantastic gardens at the rear. Why don't we take a look inside? Come on, it's a beauty. So here we are in the drawing room of this fantastic period property. As you can see, it's a really good size. There's plenty of original features in here, nice high ceilings. There's this wonderful feature fireplace we've got. Now, as you can see over to my left here, there are the fantastic windows which give you this brilliant view of the huge gardens outside. There's French doors that will take you out into the gardens, and just to the right there is an extra sitting room, drawing room, office. Very adaptable space. So we're now in the kitchen of the property. As you can probably notice from having had a look around now, the property does need some work to fully modernise it. Now, there's so much potential in this property. This wall here to my right hand side leads through to another reception room, which we'll look at in a moment. But the possibilities of opening this whole space up into a fantastic kitchen diner, it's there. You could really put a real modern twist on this property while still retaining lots of its period charm and features. So this room is currently set up as a dining room. Now this is the wall here to the kitchen that I was thinking that could be taken down to extend this 2 rooms into a fantastic kitchen diner, very modern. Again, a really good sized room, lots of features still throughout. There's a fireplace over to our right hand side which is being used as a lovely wine store. Now for me, the jewel in the crown of this property is the garden. We really need to take a look outside. The garden is huge. It's beautiful. Let's take a look. So, the gardens outside, absolutely amazing. There's not really much more I can say to that. I'm going to let you have a look around yourself. Obviously come down and have a view of the property. Just to give you a recap, little teaser first of all. So we have a 4-bedroom period property, excellent location, required some modernisation, but loads and loads of potential. Take a look at this garden. It's mature, it's long. The best bit about it for me is right at the bottom, there's a little secret orchard which goes even further. But as you can see, just look around, look where we are. You could be anywhere. You could be in Middle England. But we're not. We're actually in the centre of Leeds. So this is the small bit I was talking to you about. At the bottom of the garden, just through the hedge where you think the garden ends, actually it opens up into this secret hidden orchard. As you can see, there's some beautiful fruit trees here, really secluded. The current owners, they even mooted at one point of using this to build a yurt at the back, have it as a bit of a retreat. This would be a perfect place if you've got older kids. They could set up camps here, all sorts of fun. Take a look. If you've got a property to sell, please do give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. We've got buyers waiting, and hopefully you won't be too late to come and see this absolute beauty. See you soon.